So if you've noticed, I've put out a lot of foliage, and everybody should have a pair of scissors and some rubbish bags beside them. So today's piece will be a table posy, and I like to call it a bit of garden on your table. So you're going to create a little garden.
Enjoy. That's why he's going crazy. He's not crazy.